Hi everyone, in this lecture I will teach you how to find profitable products to sell. In the Amazon FBA business, most important part is product researching. If you choose wrong product, you cannot succeed and make profit. It's just waste of time and money. My friends, do not waste your time and money by choosing the wrong product. Make detailed product idea analysis and spare so much time on product researching. So in this video, I will teach you all my product research experience and I'm going to explain how you can find perfect product ideas. Let's begin. Amazon is the largest online retailer in the world, generating over $180 billion in revenue in 2018. Around 50% of all sales on Amazon Marketplace come from third-party sellers like you and me. There are over 5 million sellers across all Amazon marketplaces. Over 1 million new sellers have joined Amazon this year. That's the equivalent of over 3,000 new sellers every day. So there are so much competition on Amazon, but do not worry, there are gaps also. Number one rule is to find the gaps of the Amazon. What I'm saying is this: find the low competition and medium or high demand product ideas. Low competition and high demand. That's the number one rule of us in this course. Okay, so how can you find low competition and high demand products? First and foremost, I will explain what the low competition and high demand means. We will learn competition and demand from the product's main keywords first page. If in the first page, average monthly revenue of products is under the 5,000, it means low demand. 5,000 to 10,000, it means medium demand. Over 10,000 means high demand. If you are a new seller, I highly recommend medium demand products are best for you. After some experience with your first product, you can look at high demand products. Okay, let's look at competition level of products. We can determine competition level with average review count and competing products number. If average review count in the first page is under the 100, it means low competition. 100 to 500 means medium competition, and over 500 means high competition. Also, competing products numbers are very important indicator of competition level. For example, under 2,000 competing products means low competition. 2,000 to 10,000 competing products mean medium competition, and over 10,000 competing products means high competition. Please stay away from this type of product idea. Maybe average review count is under 100 in the first page, but some of competitor can have over 500 reviews and dominating the first page. It's a danger. Stay away from this product. Look at under 50 reviews products in the first page. How many of them are there? At least 10 products must be in the first page and has approximately 10 sales per day, because when you launch your product you have 0 review and getting over 50 review count takes some time. These are low competition criteria. Please look at all of these before making an order. Let's look at some examples of low competition and high competition products. This product information is an example of low competition product. Firstly, look at average revenue and average review count. Average revenue of this product is 13,000. It means that this product has high demand and average review count is 50. It's a good indicator of low competition. There are so many products that have under 20 reviews and have 15,000 monthly revenue. Also, there is no dominating competitor with high review count. Okay, let's look at some high competition product. This product idea has high demand with over 60,000 monthly revenue and of course has high competition. Look at average review count of this product in the first page. 668 average review count. It is so much, and there are 7 competitor has more than 1,000 reviews. These are dominating the category. Also look at brand names. Yeti, Arctic, Buba, Some huge brands are here selling this item. So stay away from this type of item. You cannot compete this type of brands. So let's look at competing products information. On the left side, competing products number are over 100,000. This means high competition. Look at the right side. In some keywords, competing products number are under 1,000. Some keywords has maybe 1,000 to 2,000 competing products. You can easily rank to the first page in these keywords without so much PPC and giveaway code. You can also look at this data by going to this keywords first page on Amazon. Write this keyword to Amazon and look at results. On the top, you can see over 100,000 results for this keyword. It means over 100,000 sellers are here. There will be so much advertisement cost in this keyword. So stay away from this type of high competition products. I highly recommend to new sellers to find the gaps on Amazon and sell low competition and medium demand products. Okay, competition and demand level is finished. I think you understand all of the concepts. Let's look at profit calculation. Profit calculation is also very important. If your profit margin is under 25%, it means low profit margin. 25 to 50 profit margin is medium, and over 50% is high profit margin. You can calculate your profit margin with some useful tools. I will explain these tools in this course. Stay away from under 25% profit margin products because there will be PPC and giveaway costs, and this profit margin is not enough. Look at over 25% profit margin products. You can learn approximate manufacturing cost by looking at Alibaba or thegate.com. In the profit calculation, product dimensions are very crucial. Believe me, my friends, 1 inch can change everything. Let's look at dimensions deeply. Size and weights are so important, so be careful about dimensions and weights. Amazon fulfillment fees change by size and dimensions of product. Look at the example. On the left side, product dimensions are 999 inches. Its size tire small oversize. And look at the profit margin, approximately 10%. Look at the right side. I changed only 1 inch and write 8 instead of 9. Size tire is changed also. It's now standard size product. So look at the profit margin of this product. It's nearly 30%, almost 3 times more than the left side product. I only change 1 inch and look at the difference. So dimensions are very crucial. Take into account. You can look at size tires and fulfillment fees on the Amazon. Let's look at together. These are fulfillment fees of Amazon. Of course, standard size and oversized product costs are different. Calculate your profit margin with this information. So do not think that I'm saying not to sell oversized products. You can sell, of course. For example, this product is an oversized item, but look at the profit margin, almost 35%. And this product's revenue is over $80,000 monthly. So fulfillment fees of this type of products are high, but the selling price is also high. Okay, stand out from the crowd, my friends. Be different. You can get much more sales by adding value to your product. Find out the bad sides of product and improve it. By this way, you can sell your product with higher price. How can you know the negative side of this product? You can learn from the reviews of your competitors. Go to the Amazon page of your best-selling competitors and read critical reviews. Find the bad sides of product, learn what your customers want from your product, and improve your products. For example, look at the reviews of this product. One of customers says that cell phone slot is too small. Okay, talk to your supplier and improve it. Let's look at another example of improving. This silicone egg poacher is a good example of improving and getting more sales. The left side egg poacher has some important difference from the others. It has ring standards. The others don't. You can look at the others' reviews and see the most important bad side of this product is top link. Let's look at some reviews of this product. In the critical reviews of this product, most frequent keyword is tip over. Many customers complain about tipping over of silicone egg poacher. Look at the first review. Difficult to use, cups tip over and water gets into egg. Good idea, but mine tip over. They tip over in the water. They easily tip over. With ring standards, one of seller solve the problem and they sell with higher price more than others. Maybe you can think about bundling to be different. You can use frequently bought together information of Amazon. For example, if you are selling a tumbler, you can think selling tumbler with straws. It will be a good bundle option. You can be different from your competitor by this way. Trends are important also. Before deciding which product to sell, go to the Google Trends and look at the trends of your product idea. For example, water gun is a seasonal item. You can look at Google Trends data. It sells mostly in the summer periods of years. So if you want to sell this product, arrange the launch day before summer, because in the summer there will be so much competition, and try to finish your inventory before winter. Also, stay away from the products that trends is declining. Try to find products that trend is increasing. Okay, also I suggest you to find reordered products. Disposable cups, disposable gloves are a good example of reordered products. Customers order this type of products again after using. So, lastly, let's look at some final tips. Find simple and durable products. Search patents of products. Stay away from this type of product. Also, you have to stay away from any consumable items like food, drinks, supplements, or topicals. Also, anything that's trendy or fetish. Fidget spinners are a good example of that. I highly recommend to a new seller, start with only one product. Do not make your first order over 500. Okay, my friends, lecture is finished. I explained all of the information and experience about product researching. We will find products by using this valuable knowledge. See you in the next lecture.